Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing and pinning Builtwith to the Chrome toolbar so it's always available. Once done, open the website you want to analyze. This ensures the extension reads the current page. Click the Builtwith icon to launch its panel. The why is simple. An active tab feeds the extension URL and DOM so it can detect technologies accurately. Make sure Chrome has allowed the extension to read site data, otherwise detection will be incomplete. You run the scan and watch the progress bar until it finishes. This gathers scripts, headers, and linked resources. Then review group sections, frameworks, analytics, hosting, CDN, SSL, and third-party libraries so you understand architecture at a glance. Once you find something, click Details to see headers or script locations. That lets you verify versions and sources. If you need a specific item, use the built-in search or filter to jump directly to entries. You finish by exporting the scan, choose CSV or copy to clipboard, so you can include findings in a report or share with a team. After exporting, cross-check key items in the Chrome DevTools Network and Elements panels to confirm versions and resource origins. If Builtwith misses technologies, reload the page first, then disable conflicting extensions or ensure the extension has permission to access the site. That fixes most issues. If not, try an incognito window with only Builtwith enabled.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.